finished the solo tour and first live.
Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen. So finally I am live, and I'm live from Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page and also from Madhurima's Kitchen Instagram account. So first of all, I am just back from my first ever solo tour, because if it's in 2025 I went for an award. That was the paid all paid and sponsored tour. That was also solo, but after that I got to know about rest 24 ladies over there in Ahmedabad. So that was something solo, but it was related to my work. And this time in 2026, this is my first ever solo tour. I actually save money for this tour and to my favorite place. Yes, that is in Kalimpong. So North Bengal is my favorite, so I thought my first solo tour will be there. And yes, there was few problems. So when I will upload the video in YouTube, and of course I will share it in Facebook also, in my Facebook ID. If you want to add me, you can add in Madhurima Rimax Basu. That is my Facebook ID, and Madhurima's Kitchen is there. MaddyBee is there. So I will slowly, because once I'm back, I went for the tour on 6th of April and I came back on 10th of April. So in between I did 2 hikes, and yes, I did paragliding. So all the details will be there, but before it will take some time, and I'm back to work. I will have some Poila Boishakh pop-up, and at the same time there will be regular food delivery takeaways there. So I'm feeling a little bit sleepy, and I said that anytime today I'll be online, as because one of my favorite person, he is like my extended family member, Dr. Ashish Ghosh. He came because I told him whenever when I was almost a school student, I think from school, I was his patient. Yeah, I'm good right now, but any problem I have, he always cure me, and he's like my extended family. So whenever I am going for a travel or anywhere, so I just consult him, and he always encourage me. If I'm wrong, he will definitely say it's wrong. If I'm not wrong, he will encourage me. So I'm going for the recipe as well. This is going to be a very easy recipe. This is the kind of salad, onion salad you can say, but there will be a little bit of twist. I am making it, the name of the recipe is Turkish Sumac salad bite. So, and it's 12th of April 2026. Oh, by the way, I have got few inbox. I don't know why I'm not getting the direct message. I definitely give answer to them. So last time I shared a Baisakhi recipe, that is for the mocktail, and some people say that they need something sweeter, and for Poila Boishakh, আমাদের বাঙালির পয়লা বৈশাখের জন্য অন্যরকম একটু কোল্ড ড্রিঙ্কস, যেটা একটু অন্যরকম হবে, বাঙালিয়ানা টাচ থাকবে. There will be a touch of Bengali ingredients. So they want to learn about this kind of drink also. So I will try to make it in the next week in the live. So but right now it's a salad, because I just came back from the holiday and I want to have something healthy yet tasty, and which will be very easy to make. That's why I'm preparing this Turkish Sumac salad, onion salad, but with the twist. So let's go for the recipe, and I will show you what other ingredients are there. So you will get some noise, because I'm in my kitchen, and so I have this kind of mini fan. It will help me, otherwise I will sweat like hell. So let me place the mobile or camera properly. I was chit-chatting with Dr. Ghosh. Oh, there is another mini fan. So basically I got this fan from New Market. So let me show you what we have right now. First thing first. So this is Sumac Powder. It has a citrus flavor. This is Mediterranean, basically a Mediterranean ingredient. So Sumac Powder, it will look like this, and you will get it in Amazon. I bought it from Amazon, so when I will share the YouTube video, I will share the link also. You can buy from there. Yes, it is a little bit pricey. The taste is umami, and I'm going to prepare the recipe. It is very you can have this salad with any kind of kebab, the Turkish salad, but you can have it with any kind of kebab. If you're having that chicken kebab or something like that, or fish kebab, even also with paneer kebab, you can have this. I mean, when I will prepare the recipe, so you can have that onion salad with that also. So what else the ingredients I have? So olive oil. This is olive oil. I need some olive oil. And what I'm adding in sumac salad, you don't need to add this tomato, but I'm preparing the recipe that is called salad bite. That's why I'm using the tomato. So the main ingredients. So you have to have onion cut into slices, and you need lemon juice. So you need some lemon. Let me show you. And I'm using coriander leaf. You can, because raw parsley I don't like, that's why I'm using coriander, but you can use parsley also. And then for this recipe I'm using the pizza bread. So this is the pizza bread. You can buy it from any local store or bakery, because I will use it like that. So cut into triangular shape, and then just brush some olive oil in both sides, and then in a griller pan just grill it. So this is what we need. And another thing we need, that is I'm using the Hellman mayonnaise. So you can use any brand, but I'm using this one. So let's go for the recipe at first. This is the easiest one. There are two techniques basically. So first, if you want to consume it without any time, then you have to use your hand. Otherwise you can marinate it and then keep it aside. So first thing first, here I will add this tomato, chopped tomato, and then I will add some plain salt. Hope it is visible. A pinch of salt, not more than that. So pinch of salt is there, and then little bit of you can use coriander, cilantro or parsley according to your choice. And then I'm using this sumac powder. It's almost 1 teaspoon full I'm using for this recipe. It has a tangy kind of flavor also. And now I will add some lemon juice. Half of the lemon I'm squeezing. So lemon juice is here. I want to use it instantly, that's why I'm going to mash it with hand, not hand, because this salad, this powder, I'm sorry, sumac powder, it is little bit of tikha also, so my hand will, I cannot tolerate the tikha, that's why if I'm going to use it, so I'm using it like this. I have the glove, so one piece is okay. So I have to mix it properly. Very easy recipe. This kind of salad you can have it with anything. This is really very tasty. Once you try it at home, you can understand. So if you are not going to consume instantly, you can marinate it and then keep it for at least 10 minutes. But I don't have much time, already I am late, and now I am adding this olive oil. That's it. So there will be a crunch in this recipe. It is really very tasty and crunchy, as I said. So now I have to mix it so that the flavor will come out and the powder will mix up properly. So it's tangy, it's little bit of sweet, little bit of sour, and then the goodness of onion. I'm just, drooling. I had this recipe, this salad before. So that's why when I tried this, I thought that adding this tomato will enhance the taste for this particular recipe. Otherwise, normal, the sumac powder is okay. So I have to mix it. And those who wanted to know about the paragliding and all, already I have to live in Facebook. And slowly I will publish the video, the two details in my YouTube channel, that is Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima. So there is another YouTube channel, that is MaddyBee. You can see cute reels. And about the yoga reel, yes, when I saw the movie Tal when I was very young, so not looking, actually I was very young. So that time I saw the movie Tal, and there is a scene of during sunrise, Aishwarya Rai, she is doing a yoga posture. So I wanted to do it, but I wake up a little bit late and in Kalimpong, so there was sunrise, but the bird chirping and the sounds of flora and fauna, that are real. So there is nothing like I have to add. It is almost done. You can see the color is changing, and I have to taste it, like the salt is okay or not. That's why I have to taste a bit. Yum. Everything is fine. So now the bite portion I will prepare. Now it's time to garnish. So I have this pizza bread. Place it. I cannot place here more than 3. So I don't want it clumsy. That's why I'm placing 3. My parents are going to love it. So now I have to use my hand. Just place this salad like this. Sometimes using hand is better. That's why I'm using the hand. And even I have this leftover. Tomorrow I will have it with rice. It is healthy. I want to lick my hand, but I'm working right now. It's not possible. And the little bit of garnish again. So I will finish it off with some mayonnaise. I'm using the veg mayonnaise, because if there are anybody who is vegetarian, so they can have this too. If they, yes. So this is what, like, vegetarian means if they eat onion and garlic, so they can have it. There is no as such alternate for this recipe, like without onion garlic it's not possible. And now I will finish it off with sprinkle of this coriander. And it's done. So this is the Turkish Sumac salad bite. You have to have it in one bite. And now it's time to talk to me. Let me adjust my camera. Let me check it. So the flip is here. Okay, so I'm done with this recipe. You have to have this like this. This is yummy. I can't wait to share with my parents. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen. Do check Madhurima's Kitchen in Facebook, Instagram, and of course in Google also. So you can check Google, and also MaddyBee for the candle, and rest you can check this. And for this kind of recipe you can always check my live recipe. Every week I'm trying to do one live. It will be the easiest one, so recipe will be around the world, and maybe I will modify the recipe. Right now I cannot wait to have this and share this with my parents. And do check Google Madhurima's Kitchen, Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen too, because there will be more menu. These are coming. So after 15 Poila Boishakh there will be more pop-up will be there. So hopefully no hangover. So just signing off, and hope you enjoy the recipe. Do try this recipe at home. Thank you.
More live recipe and YouTube recipes are coming.